Welcome. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to find out who liked your post on X, formerly known as Twitter, using your PC even after the latest updates. If you've noticed things look a little different lately, you're not alone. X has recently changed how likes work, but you can still see who's engaging with your own posts. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head to the X website. Make sure you're logged into your account. On the left side of your screen, you'll see a menu. Click on your profile icon to enter your profile page. Now, scroll through your posts and find the one you want to check. Once you've found it, look for the three dots in the top right corner of the post. This is the More menu. Click on it to open up additional options. From the drop-down, select View Post Engagements. This new feature is part of the recent update and is your gateway to all the interactions on your post. Here, you'll see a breakdown of who's engaged with your tweet, including likes, reposts, and quotes. To focus on the likes, click on the Likes tab. This will show you a list of all the accounts that have liked your post. You can scroll through and see exactly who's shown appreciation for your content. This feature is only available for your own posts, so you won't be able to check likes on other users' tweets anymore due to privacy changes introduced in June 2024. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you can keep track of your post's engagement and see who's supporting your content. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out our other tips for mastering X's latest features. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.